My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Harmony coin. What's the price change goes in a Harmony coin, what's the next target of Harmony coin, in this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you're new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Harmony coin, friends. First of all, we look the last 1 hour price prediction of the Harmony coin. What's the price change goes in a Harmony coin in the last 1 hour, friends. That is live price prediction of the Harmony coin. You're watching now the last 1 hour change occur in a Harmony coin as about negative 1.83% change occur in a Harmony coin, and the high price of the Harmony as about $0.1476 USD dollar is the high price of Harmony coin in the last 1 hour, friends. The current price of the Harmony as about 0.1445 USD dollar is the current price at this time in the cryptocurrency markets, friends. If we look the graph of the Harmony coin, so as you can see here, continuously falls of the Harmony coin are starts now from the previous last 1 hour, friends, and now at this time they are also in the falling mode, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction and try to detect what's the next target of Harmony coin, friends. First of all, we look the price prediction. After that, we detect that what's going next in a Harmony coin, friends. The change occurred in the Harmony coin in the last 1 day as about positive 1.12%, and the high price of Harmony coin is about 0.1607 USD dollar is the high price of Harmony coin in the last 1 day, friends. Absolutely a high jump occurred in the Harmony coin in the previous last 1 day, friends. Now let's see let's detect the next target of the Harmony coin. What is the change goes in a Harmony coin in the future days, in the coming days, friends. As you can see here, if we detect the Harmony coin of this time, as you can see here, if you don't subscribe, so please kindly subscribe my channel. As you can see here, friends, the changes occurs in the Harmony coin is same like that. That is the direction of the Harmony coin. As you can see here, take a jump, falls down, take a jump, falls down, take a jump, falls down. Same process occur in the Harmony coin. If they continue this kind of change occur in the Harmony coin and the future in the coming days, so there is no hope of a jump. As you can see here, they falls down, they are continuously fast occurring in the Harmony coin in the coming soon days. So we are gonna lose if they continue this kind of loss. As you can see here, the graph have a downward direction. That is why they falls down in the future coming soon days, friends. There is a lot of chances to they take a jump, because if they take a jump at this time, so maybe they goes upward and less them like that in the future, and maybe they falls down again very more as compared to this chart, friends. So what's your opinion about Harmony coin? As there is how much chances do they take a jump and how much chances do they falls down? My personally experience is that there is a 50% chances to they goes up and 50% falls down, but we can't say about the future of Harmony coin. There is a no we can't say about the future of Harmony coin. We can't there is a high jump occurs in the future days, and maybe there is a no falls occur in a Harmony coin, and we can't say about perfectly that what's going in the next. But that's my detection, that's my personal experience, that there is a dumping occurs in a Harmony coin approximately 2-4 hours as a continuously dumping of the Harmony coin or starts now. What's your opinion about Harmony coin? Please share your opinion in a comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency market. Thank you so much for watching this video.